Alright, let's get real for a moment. Are you tired of feeling stuck, watching everyone else zoom past you? You have big dreams, but somehow you find yourself spinning your wheels. But what if I told you that breaking free isn't about a massive overhaul? It's about small, powerful shifts. Today, I'm handing you the Keys 7 practical life hacks designed to create real change. These aren't just tips, they are scientifically backed strategies that can re-engineer how you approach your days and goals. So if you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start taking control, you are in the right place. My name is Yogesh Singh and I'm thrilled you're here. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a game changer, the 5-second rule. Your brain will try to talk you out of anything new or uncomfortable within about 5 seconds. The moment you have an instinct to act, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then move. This simple countdown interrupts overthinking and replaces it with immediate action. It's about creating a bias towards action. Next up, let's talk about those tiny tasks that create a mountain of clutter. The 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than 1 minute, do it immediately. By tackling them instantly, you prevent that pile-up. Each tiny action is a win, fueling your sense of accomplishment. It's about building momentum through small, consistent victories. Are you living by your to-do list, only to find it growing longer each day? It's time to switch to time blocking like a CEO. Successful CEOs strategically allocate their time to their most important priorities. Instead of listing tasks, schedule them. Plan your time with intention, and you're no longer at the mercy of distractions. You own your day, rather than letting your day own you. Hack number 4, recharge your brain. The 20-minute phone detox. Every day, carve out 20 minutes to completely disconnect from all screens. Use this time to let your mind wander, rest, and recharge. You'll be amazed at how refreshing and clarifying these 20 minutes can be. It's like hitting a reset button for your brain. Hack number 5, boost confidence with the done list. Instead of focusing on what's pending, write down everything you accomplished that day. This simple act of recording your achievements has a profound psychological impact. It forces you to recognize your progress and celebrate your wins. It's a powerful reminder that you are capable and moving forward. Hack number 6, peak performance with the 90-20th rule. Work with intense focus for 90 minutes, followed by a 20-minute break. During those 90 minutes, eliminate distractions and dive deep. During the break, completely disengage to recover your energy. This cycle helps maintain sharpness and creativity throughout the day. Hack number 7, the ultimate upgrade. Reboot your identity. Shift your identity first, not just your goals. Instead of saying, I want to be fit, believe, I am a person who prioritizes health. Your behaviors will naturally align with the type of person you believe yourself to be. This is the ultimate life upgrade because it changes you from the inside out. So there you have it, 7 powerful life hacks to upgrade your life. The journey of self-improvement isn't about finding one magic bullet. Start small. Pick one hack, commit to it, and practice it until it becomes a habit. Small, consistent actions lead to massive transformations over time. You have the tools now. The power to change is within you. Embrace the process, be patient, and celebrate every small win. Want more content like this? Hit subscribe and join the Endless Desires family. Comment below with your favorite hack or one you're excited to try. I can't wait to hear